This is the Rebel model, up to 17 length log, 30-inch diameter. We have a 14 horsepower Vanguard engine on it. Water cooled, electric height adjustment, up and down, getting your board height. Great holders for the log. Everything is welded, no bolt on, keeping things very true throughout the time using it. And easy action. Running, everything comes off. Everything's actuated with just right here. That actuates the water, the blade, the throttle. And we have a great diagram right here, knowing your heights through the board cuts.
And this is all electrically controlled right there.
That right there. Yep, up and down, no problem.